Good morning. My alarm going off. I am getting sick. This is ridiculous. I hate this weather. But Joe finally woke. I've been woke for a while. I've just been watching videos and honestly waiting for him to wake up. We have therapy today. We actually going earlier than we normally do. We normally go at 1, but we're going at 11 today, which means what's what? They're mowing? Somebody's blowing their nose? I don't know who that is. I highly doubt anybody's blowing their nose, considering nobody's up. We are already starting off rocky because he... We are starting off very rough this morning. He literally been up like 10 minutes. You want to see what?
What happened?
You threw it, Landon. That's what happens when you throw things. When you throw things, they break. You have to be gentle. Okay? When you're gentle with your belongings, they last longer. It's not broke, it's just dirty.
Just dirty?
Yeah.
It's this dirty.
You ready to get your shirt on?
No.
Okay. You ready to drink some tea?
I will wait some more. Okay. So okay. It's not.
I don't understand why he insists on making more tea when there's already a cup of tea made waiting for him. He just gotta pour it in his cup. But instead he wants to make more tea. You just spilled it all over the microwave.
I spilled it in the microwave.
I see that. How about we step down and let mommy do it, because it might be a better idea if I do it, okay?
I clean it.
I'll clean it, thank you.
I clean it.
Oh, Jesus. Alright, we made it to the doctor's. We made it. He too turned. We made it.
We made it.
Baby, we made it.
I'm the baby. The baby.
The baby.
Mama,
Huh?
I go home. I'll go home.
I'm not surprised. We don't want to leave it in the car anyway, so it's okay.
Yes.
Well, I should have brought a purse. Can you jump? Alright. Let's put some of this in my pocket. Yeah, so we just pulled up a little bit early. I'm gonna stop in the cafeteria and actually get him some type of snack because he wouldn't eat this morning. He didn't want nothing to offer, so we're gonna stop this a little bit early. Huh? We're gonna go see the doctor. Remember the lady you always see on Thursday?
No.
We're gonna go play with her.
Play with her.
Yeah, we're gonna go play with her.
Okay.
We're going in on B, and I don't think I need to go in on B. Ooh, actually, I think I need to go in on C, but I can't tell you where I need to be, honestly, because I left the papers at home. And if you know anything about Cincinnati Children's, it is gigantic. So we will wander, apparently. Tell us where we need to go. I'm pretty sure she said something about C.
C?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'll bet what the big one.
T? Where the hell is T? T.
Yeah. Mama, why is it?
I am here, and I need to be here. Lord, let's go. We gotta go through a tunnel. You guys, it is 2 o'clock. We literally are just about to make it back to the car. Come on. We've been here for 3 hours. 11, 12, 1, 2. Come on. 2 hours. Come on. Come on, Joe. He literally was flipping chairs and just, it was rough. It was so rough. He basically was shut in the room for an hour and a half by himself, screaming. Come on. I'm pretty sure. Come on, yeah. We come back in 2 weeks. At that time, I'm going to talk about other discipline methods because that's not for me. It was emotionally draining, physically draining. I had to keep the door closed the whole time for him not to be able to get out the room. He seen my feet under the door. He knew I was standing there. He kept pulling and begging and crying for me to open the door. It was mentally, it was just too much for me. Come on, bud. Come on. You can take it. Yeah, mentally it was way too much for me. I can't do that. To hear him in there screaming like that and crying and asking for my help, and I can't help him, and I'm the one that is causing the exact thing that he feel like he need help to or rescuing from. It's just, I cried and cried and cried. And all of the doctors and nurses that walked by, they kept like, oh, this is the hardest day. After this, it'll never be harder.
No, I do.
But I can't take that risk. Like, our appointment is only supposed to be 60 minutes. We were supposed to be out of here at 12. And I literally had to like let her know, like, hey, I gotta be out of here by 1:45. Like, he literally was in timeout for an hour and a half. Like, at no point, well, I ain't gonna say at no point. There was only 2 times I was able to interact with him, and that was just enough time for me to tell him, you have to listen, you have to calm down, you cannot throw things, you have to listen, you have to calm down, and put him back in his chair. That was it. And as bad as I want to get his temper under control, I don't think that's gonna be how I do it. What did you see at your field trip? You gonna tell the vlog all about your trip? Tell the vlog about your trip. Where y'all go? On the bus? Or y'all walked? You mad?
They walked?
Nah, they rode the bus. I should have recorded her when she first got in the car when she was still in a good mood. When she came out to school crying.
Why she got my crying?
Cause she done bit her nail down and to like the skin.
She bit it?
Yeah, like she probably like bit her nail, like ripped it off or something. But she said she bit it. So her thumb hurt. So she was like kinda in that kind of mood. And then she said she wanted to go somewhere fun. And I'm like, okay, well let's go get daddy. I think like before we even hit the hill, she was like, said she had fun earlier when I had first asked her about her trip. She said she had fun. Did you have fun? Alright, Grandma finally got here.
You know whoever's next in line?
Well, just give me a foot-long hot dog. Just get the foot-long.
What do you want?
No SpongeBob?
What do you want, Lada?
Okay, so
You want chocolate with sprinkles? You want hot dog?
Yes.
You want hot dogs? I'm gonna get you a SpongeBob. Can I get? You want 2 hot dogs? Yeah, 2 hot dogs.
2 hot dogs, just plain.
Mustard and relish.
Ketchup and mustard.
No onions and mustard. Okay.
And then let me get a
What kind of ice cream you want?
with cheese.
You don't want ice cream or a popsicle?
Okay.
No.
You want SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
And I want ice cream cone, vanilla ice cream.
What size?
Give me a medium.
And then I'm gonna get vanilla cone as well with crunch.
I'm gonna get a cookies and cream cyclone.
A cyclone?
Small, medium.
What's a cyclone?
Alright, will that be all for you guys?
That's something I would like.
You sure you don't want ice cream? Ice cream in the cup. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on, London.
You gotta sit up there.
You gotta sit up there so your mom can get your picture.
No, I gotta sit up.
Come on, I'll go with you. Come on. Come on, get up there.
Y'all was just a begging to go.
Get up there with
They just got their pictures taken.
I know, for the wall.
Y'all wasn't paying attention. He was looking all around.
Move your hands so I can see your face. Yeah. Alright, we wandered off. We got the kids at the park. This fresh air is doing me a lot of justice. But he done wandered off to go get a Pokestop. I didn't even know, like, he realized to be playing Pokemon. He better go somewhere with his life. He going down all in the woods. But I thought he wanted to come see what this building was. Him and his ulterior motives. It's so windy, but it feels so good. I'm so happy I can like actually breathe now. I can't say it's all because of the fresh air, because I did take some cold medicine. These like all natural pills. It's kind of like the octacillin. I don't know, but it's like that the really popular flu medicine that everybody was taking this past flu season. It went crazy. But it's Valium, but it's just for colds, not flu.
Oh, that is a little.
What they call the wheels?
Let me see it. Look,
They go
Halloween
walnut.
something.
Oh, that's just something you found on the ground.
Walnut.
How you found that?
That ain't nothing nature related.
Look.
I see all the tops right here.
Take it to your teacher and tell her you found that on your hike.
You gonna save it?
Say, I found that on your hike yesterday. She gonna say, what were you hiking at?
Come down.
Come on, we're going this way.
Where you going? Here. You may hold your acorn?
There go another hole right there.
Hello.
Right there too.
You gonna find one? What are you gonna find? What kind of nut can you find? Find the acorn.
I found another one.
What you got?
2.
2 what? 2 nuts?
Yep.
What? A rabbit hole?
Say hello to your new friends.
Oh. Hi, friends.
One of taller.
Cane, look.
Yes. What?
Boy, that's a tree. That ain't no walking stick. That's a tree. Hey, say sorry, please. Landon, look at him. Look at him and tell him sorry.
Sorry.
Thank you.
I'm about
Looking like that monkey from Lion King with the red boots. Yeah. Where?
Somebody over there. I just see. You don't see it?
Oh, that is a big tree. Climb over. You need a little bit of help? There you go. That's the get. Uh-oh. Up. Good job. You got to use your stick.
Daddy, what?
Almost. Tell her, nice try. Nice try. Yeah.
My turn. I want to do my left.
Papa down there trying to find y'all turtle.
I'm gonna get the pet.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get me a pet at Petco's. Okay.
At Petco?
Yeah.
Oh, you just gonna go to Petco and get it?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm gonna
okay.
get a puppy.
When it rains,
Puppies at Petco?
you can go outside and find turtles. That's how I found the turtle.
Alright. We have had dinner, baths, and everything else. It is like 10:19. We really been just chilling since the kids took a bath at like 8. I'm still sick. Still feel horrible. I'm making me some tea now. I just told Lynn that I regret putting back the hauls yesterday because we went to Walmart to get London lunch for her field trip because she decided to eat the Lunchables she had here. So I just got her another Lunchable. It's the easiest thing to pack when she's on field trip. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. I upload a variety of content on this channel, as y'all know. So if you didn't like this one, I'm sure you'll like the next one. I'm pretty sure because we're about to meal planning. So look forward to that coming soon. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.